Hey guys, so today we're going to unbox my August Sephora Play Box. I just got this in the mail and I'm looking for a knife so I can cut it open. I just got off of work, so I decided to come and just open this up real quick with you guys, edit it, and then put it up. So let me open this up real quick. I used to have an easy way to open these and they no longer do, which is annoying because they put the sticker in the wrong spot. So let's go ahead and let me try to get through this real quick. This month's box is called Beauty School. It comes with your regular 50 points in there, and it looks like this is like a back to school type of box. So, oh, this bag this month, it's super cute. It has like brushes and pencils and rulers and all kinds of stuff on it. So it's this here. It looks super cute. I think it's a darling little bag. And let me go ahead and open it up and let's see the first item that I have in here. Alright, so the first item I have in here is from Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. It looks like this. And when I seen this, I was hoping that it wasn't the sleeping mask and more like the scrub for your lips, because I've been hearing a lot of good things about that, but I haven't picked it up and I've been wanting to try that. So this looks like a very thin cream to sleep in. So this would be really nice for anybody that's looking for something to sleep in. I have not tried this before, but since I've heard so much good things about their lip products, I'm sure this would work out really, really well. I am currently testing out a bunch of skin products, so I won't be testing this out for a little bit, but hopefully that works out when I do get a chance to test it out. All right, the next thing I have in here is from Catrice, and it is Glow Go Highlighter. So it comes in a box like this. I am excited. It looks like I got a highlighter this month. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh, it's actually a really nice sized highlighter. So it's just like a little circle, and most likely it has a, yeah, it has a magnetic little tab at the back so that you can hopefully put it in a it's plastic. That's weird. Maybe it's supposed to stay in there. And I just pulled it out. Alright, so let me put it back. Alright, so it is very, very soft. Just kind of touching it is definitely putting a lot of glitter everywhere. It looks like it has a lot of glitter in it. So let me just kind of hold it up and hopefully it doesn't fall out. So that's what it looks like. I'm just going to take my little brush here that I use to put on highlight. I still have a little bit of highlight from this morning, but we'll see what this looks like here. It's definitely highlighty. It does have a lot of glitter particles in there, which I'm not a big fan of the glitter particles, but let's see if I can buff it in enough to get rid of those glitter particles. No, they're still there. But other than that, it's really pretty. So, so this is in the color. Does it give me a color? I don't have a color on here, and if there is a color, I'm not seeing it. So that's the second item I got. It's pretty. I mean, but it's definitely, it adds a lot of texture to my face, so it's not one that I'd be reaching for very much, but I can use it for a eyeshadow. Next thing I have here is a Moroccan Oil, and it is a dry texture spray texture for all hair types. So I'm thinking this is a dry shampoo. Let's see. It smells pretty, but it doesn't seem to leave a white cast, so we'll see if this is a dry shampoo or not. I'm assuming it's a dry shampoo. It says it's extremely flammable, which I mean most things in aerosol cans are. So that's interesting. I like to get dry shampoos, especially I like to test out new ones to see if they're better than the ones that I'm using. So that's always nice to get a dry shampoo. Alright, the next thing I have in here is an Instant Plump. 1 Instant Plump, 2 long-term benefits. This is it's from Grand Lips. It's a hydrating lip plumper. I have something from them. I think it's another lip plumper. So yeah, I think I have this already. So this is actually not a bad lip plumper. It definitely has like cinnamon or something in it to reacts with your lips that helps plump them. It's not bad. It's a cute little box that comes in there. So I'm always happy to have new lip plumpers. And let's see here. The next thing I have here is from NARS, And it is Pro Prime Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. Nice. I love to get eyeshadow primers. So this one will be one that I definitely test out and see how it works. And it's just has the classic NARS, you know, rubbery type of tip. And it's definitely, ooh, it's almost like a white base. I don't know if you can see that there. And it seems to dry down clear. So it's kind of oily. That's interesting. I wonder how that's gonna work with people with oily lids. But it doesn't have a scent, but this will definitely be one that I put in my eyeshadow primers and test that out. It's an eyeshadow base, Pro Smudge Proof eyeshadow base, it says. So yeah, that's actually really cool. I like to get eyeshadow primers to see how they're gonna last and if they're gonna work and stuff like that. And coming from NARS, I'm really excited about that one. All right, the last thing I have here is from Amica. I think that's what it says, and it looks like a shampoo and conditioner. So it's a smoothing shampoo and a smoothing conditioner, and that's about it. It just has, you know, directions on how to use it. So that's everything I got in my box. Let me know what you guys think about it. What did you get in your box this month? I've been looking. I haven't seen too many people unbox their Sephora's yet, so maybe they came in late this month. I don't know, but we'll see. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll talk to you guys sometime within the week, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.